Hi, everyone. I hope you're having a good day. My name is Mo, and welcome to ReachUp's UK personal statement writing workshop. So today we're going to talk about, for those of you interested in applying to universities in the UK, how to write a good personal statement as part of the UCAS process. And I'll spend some time going over a few different topics so that you feel comfortable writing a very good personal statement and getting into the university of your choice. We'll spend a couple of minutes with a brief introduction. I'll walk you guys through a little bit around what personal statements are aiming to do and what they're all about. Then we'll get into the structuring of a personal statement. And then we'll go into how to write a good outline for a personal statement, and then how to go from an outline to a full and effective personal statement. And then we'll wrap up the entire discussion with a few final tips based on my experiences working with students applying to the UK. ReachUp is a global education platform started by alumni of Stanford University, and we help get students admitted to their top universities. And the way we do provide that help is through essay reviews, through resume reviews, and through workshops just like these to help you guys with things like personal statements and resumes. And finally, we're also a global network of university students and alumni in case you want to connect with people who are studying at a certain university or studying a certain course that you're interested in. So you can check us out at reachup.net at any time. Let's spend some time talking about personal statements and what they're all about. So when it comes to the UK application process, the personal statement is really about what you want to study in university and why. The UCAS website itself says, and I quote, "A personal statement supports your application to study at a university or college. It's a chance for you to articulate why you'd like to study a particular course or subject and what skills and experiences you possess that show your passion for your chosen field." So it's really about telling you as an applicant, telling the university and the admissions officers what you want to study at their university and why, with a demonstration of how your skills and experience demonstrate your passion for that. So ultimately, they want to know who you are, what matters to you, what makes you unique, and can you communicate your ideas effectively in a personal statement. There are a few elements of the personal statement. There's the first element is around the course that you're expressing interest in. The second one is around your skills and achievements that demonstrate your interest in that course. And the third one is related to your work experience and future plans and how those relate to what you want to study in university. And there are a few different questions here to consider as you're writing your personal statement. You won't be able to answer all of these questions in a personal statement, but you need to be answering a few of them. So, why are you applying to this course? Why does this subject interest you? Why do you think you're suitable for the course? And how do your studies relate to the course? Your studies being your high school studies. And have you taken part in other activities apart from academia that show your interest in this subject? On skills and achievements, what skills and achievements do you have that will prepare you for the course or for university life in general? Do these skills and achievements demonstrate an interest in the course? And how do they make you unique? And on work experience and future plans, it's really all about either talking about the work experience you may have that show an interest in the course and how it prepares you for university life, or how the course you want to study will prepare you for what you want to do after university. Again, you won't be able to answer all of these questions in a personal statement, but you need to answer some of them and notice how everything ties back, whether it's about the course itself or the skills and achievements or the work experience or the future plans. They all tie back to your interest and passion for what you want to study in university. If you're an international student, there's another element that you need to touch upon in your personal statement, and it's why you want to study in the UK. You don't have to write too much on this subject, but you need to somehow mention it. Do you want to study in the UK for cultural reasons? Are there things that interest you in the UK that you'd like to learn about? Do you want to end up living in the UK for a specific reason? Is the subject that you're interested in studying an area of focus for a UK university? Um, why do you want to be an international student rather than just study in your own country? So you also want to think about how not just how studying in the UK will benefit you, but also how you can benefit the student population you'll be around as an international student, bringing a different perspective.